All right, Kingsmill, welcome back. Last time I saw you, we were wearing a Santa hat. We were saying Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. Hope it was a great holiday season for you and your families. Hope it's been a great start to the new year. Coming to you live from the ladies' locker room. We are excited. We're going to throw a couple quick updates your way in the next couple weeks. We are moving and shaking, getting things done. But for now, we are in the new ladies' locker room restroom. Walls are up, painted, new electrical and new plumbing. The only thing left is to put in our new sinks and our new toilets. I'm going to show you around the ladies' locker room a little bit. So super excited. We installed all of our lockers this week. They are gorgeous. We're going to have full-size, half-size, and third-size lockers. And then aesthetically, we're going to have the brown wood front and the glass front. Inside locker, they're all the same. But it is a combo digital lock. Almost we got it there. We won't let you forget. We got backup keys as well. Make sure I get my shoes on, ready to go. Hope I remember that for later. Also on the main floor this year, or new, we have cubicle size lockers where if you're just coming in for a day, you can keep your shoes, not worry about coming in here, in and out. 3 rows of lockers. These are the full-size ones back here on the back wall for the ladies. And we're going to come back into our ladies' showers. The ladies' hot tub got poured with brand new cement the past couple days. It is curing and resting now. But new mechanicals installed, new filtration, new pumps, new jets. Let that hang out for a little bit. Then we're going to tile it and put some water in, be ready to go. The sauna has been framed, new bench work. The steam room has been framed, new insulation across the building, new lights in here ready to go. Clean up a little bit, put some walls up, and we are just about ready to rock here in the ladies' locker room. Again, it's been a great couple weeks. Hope it's been a great start to the new year. We're excited to show you around the club here the next couple weeks. Open hard hat tours Wednesdays and Saturdays. Make sure you sign up and RSVP through the member website. Thanks for being a member here at the club.